I am from YouTube official. Today I am going to put a new video how to play YouTube videos offline. It's an easy method we can use in your Android phone and your iPhone. If you like my video, subscribe, share, comment and like. Okay friends, let's go to the video. So friends, let's start our video. Now I am going to YouTube and going to take my video. If I take any another one's video, it will be copyright. So I am going to back. So friends, I have going to my channel and going to take my own video. Friends, then I am playing my video. So if the video is playing, you can keep your finger in the sensor. I mean, if we call or something, the when we go and phone come close to your ears, the phone will automatically off. That's the automatically sensor. When we keep our hand or any sub object on it, it will close so automatically. So in this, we need an application named Proximity Sensor. We have to download it from Play Store.